Have you ever taken a photograph you absolutely love, but the ISO was too high, maybe your camera was a bit older, and the noise was just out of control? And sure, you can go into your favorite photo editing program, turn up those noise reduction sliders, but now it just looks like you have some mushed together painting. Well, if it's been a while since you've checked out Lightroom's AI noise reduction feature, honestly, I have no idea when it came out, but it has been a game changer for my low light photos. Somehow it is able to magically take away a lot of the color and lumen noise, but still using AI bring back in pretty much all of the detail. Have you guys used this feature at all? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow for more.